Hello super investors. This video I am making in English especially for the people. A lot of people requested me to make video in English for Brightcom group. So this video I am making in English. So the people who doesn't understand English, Hindi well, for them this video I have made specially. In this I'll be covering about bonus share, about next target of Brightcom group, and also upcoming positive events that may take place in Brightcom group, which will make the Brightcom group become rocket and give good returns in coming 3 to 6 months. Friends, as you have seen, Brightcom group have closed in last trading session around 95 rupees, and it had gone up to 108 rupees, but again correction started, and now it is now trading in a normal range, like a normal. It is not going in upper circuit also, and nor in lower circuit. So that is one good positive thing, that Brightcom group is trading normally, and it is not falling below 95 rupees. It is again and again taking support around 94, 95. Although the volume has come down to around 25 lakh shares, that means that at this level very few people are ready to sell the share. That is a one good positive indication about Brightcom group. And actually there is a little fear in the market in coming days because of the war situation, because of inflation, because of interest rate. So market is yet not in the full bull run mode, and that's why the people are cautious, and people are not buying too many shares of Brightcom group. One more thing is there, that the bonus issued by the company has not been credited to the lot of people's demat account. That has created a lot of disappointment and panic among the shareholders. But friends, see, the record date for the share bonus shares was 16th of March. But now if you see, almost 1 month has gone, but around 90% people has not received bonus shares. But if you see, generally it takes 21 days to 30 days, that means working days, to credit the bonus share in the demat account. So there is nothing to worry. It is a long procedure, and the lot of agencies are involved in this issuance of bonus procedure. So you need not worry if you are holding the bonus share before X date. If you are holding the shares of Brightcom group before X date, so you need not worry. You will definitely get bonus shares in your account. That you have to be confident. And a lot of people ask me that if they sell the bonus share right now, so if they sell the bonus right now, if they sell the shares right now, will they get bonus shares or not? Yes. Now if you sell the shares of Brightcom group, still you will be eligible to get the bonus shares if you are holding the bonus shares. If you are holding the shares prior to the X date of the Brightcom group, that you have to remember. That is 15th of March was X date, 16th of March was record date. So you need not worry about the getting of the bonus shares. You will definitely get sooner or later. Max to max, like I can expect that by April end, lot of people will get bonus shares in their demat account. If we talk about the price, friends, see the after the forensic audit initiation, Brightcom group was non-stop in lower circuit. It had gone down to 55-60 level. From there it recovered up to 108 level, almost double. So you cannot expect any share to run non-stop. No share goes non-stop down or non-stop up. So after reaching 108 level, it is in consolidation mode. So we need not worry that it will not run. It will definitely run with the market, but it is now, you can say, taking a rest for few days. So you need not worry about the movement of Brightcom group share from here. If you see that because and one more thing is there, a lot of people are in a panic that if bonus shares will be credited, a lot of people will book the profit, because a lot of people are feeling that if they will sell the shares now, they may not get the bonus shares. So everyone is waiting for bonus shares to get credited in their demat account. That's why they are not selling. So that is also one of the fear in the retail investors mind, that is stopping them from buying more Brightcom group shares from this level. One more reason that Brightcom Group share is in ASM stage 4 list, that means you cannot buy the same day and sell on the same day. You have to wait for 2 days to sell the Brightcom Group shares. So people who are buying Brightcom Group shares, they are they are buying from the anticipation of short term to long term view and not for immediate trading. But if you see, the fundamentals of Brightcom Group are very strong, and it has a bright future because it is working in the AdTech industry. So it makes the future bright, because everything is online and based on internet nowadays, and you see advertisements on YouTube, Google, everywhere. Wherever you open the mobile, you will see the advertisements. So that's what Brightcom Group does. So basically, it has a bright future and it has a big client base worldwide, and it has offices all over the world, 22 offices. So it has a bright future as far as the business and future prospect is concerned. Recently, Brightcom Group had given two positive news, that promoter holding was increased to 34%, which was previously 19%. Mr. Suresh Reddy, chairman and MD of Brightcom Group, had bought the stake in the companies which were holding the Brightcom Group shareholding, and that made the promoter holding from 19% to 34%. That was one positive news. And recently, 2-3 days back, Brightcom Group announced that they have tied up with Intent IQ, a US-based company that will help them to garner and achieve more revenue and more profit in coming quarters. So these two big news has a positive side. And one more positive thing was, like, as you know, forensic audit was initiated. After that, it was falling, but Mr. Shankar Sharma, who has invested heavily in Brightcom Group, paid 75% balance amount of warrants, and that was the trigger. And again, Brightcom Group recovered from there and went up to 108 rupees. As you know, Shankar Sharma is a big investor, super investor, and very wise man. He wouldn't have paid balance 75% if he wouldn't be sure about the future prospect of the company and about the forensic audit. So if you see from that angle, we can expect that the forensic audit of the company will not be bad, or maybe with a few lacunas which will not affect or hamper future of Brightcom Group. If we talk about the near-term future prospects of the company, the positive cues or positive news which may come from the Brightcom Group is quarter 4 result. Quarter 4 result, if it is better than quarter 3 or year on year, then again it will act like a trigger for Brightcom Group. And the date also yet has not been declared, but date might be declared in few days. So the earlier they declare the date of quarter 4 result, more confidence it will create among the investors, and that will again shoot up the price of Brightcom Group. And as you know, the Brightcom Group is planning to acquire one audio company in USA. So if any positive news comes about that development also, it will also give boost to the share of the Brightcom Group. Also, if you see, company had acquired a Mediamint, a company, Hyderabad-based company, few months back. So that is also one positive step Brightcom Group had taken. So that the profit of Mediamint may not be added in this quarter, but from June quarter it will be added. So that will also help Brightcom Group's revenue and profit increase in the coming quarters, as we can see. As you know, the Brightcom Group also has been added in BSE small cap mid cap indexes and also NSE Alpha Index recently. So that is also a positive cue for Brightcom Group, that this is quite honorable thing for any company to get added in BSE or NSE indexes. So that is also, and also FII has increased their stake in Brightcom Group. Even DII like ICICI Prudential has bought a small portion in Brightcom Group. So all these positive cues shows the confidence among the investors in coming years. Few days back, CFO of the company was retired, and new CFO announcement may come in this April month. And if the CFO is from the AdTech industry or a very experienced man from IT sector, that will also boost the confidence of retail investors. So that can be one of the trigger for Brightcom Group in coming days. Even if you see the forensic audit report, which the result of which is awaited by all investors, if it comes positive or it gets the clean sheet from the forensic audit, so the Brightcom Group will become rocket from there, because that is the only big fear in the investors' mind about audit report, which everyone is expecting to be good, So that's why that will be also one of the best reason for Brightcom Group to become rocket in coming days. Every year, company gives outlook for coming financial year, that is 22-23. That outlook is also awaited from the company side. If that outlook is also issued by the company, which will be positive, so that will also boost the confidence of retail investors. And friends, see, the quarter 4 result meeting, company will give lot of things and performances, any about planning for new acquisition or new clients or new tie-ups. So that quarter 4 result meeting will be quite important, and in that we can see after that Brightcom Group can also rally to the next level. As far as targets are concerned, friends, see, if you see, it is around 95 rupees. If it crosses 120, 122, it will cross its 52-week high, and again it will be ready for the next rally. If quarter 4 result is good and better than previous quarters, then Brightcom Group can achieve 150 rupees level in coming 3 to 4 months easily. So the best time to buy is now, the buy on dip strategy. You can buy small quantity and average out. But if you are fearful about the forensic audit result, so you may wait till the forensic audit report is published. So if it is positive, you can take entry. But if you are confident about the forensic audit report will be positive, you can buy small quantity on every dip and hold for long term. Because in coming 1 or 2 years, Brightcom Group may reach the level of 300 to 400 from this level, depending on the quarter results and performance, but which is expected to be good, because company is quite aggressive. It goes for acquisitions, it goes for new technology, so it can become a market leader in coming few years. And company is debt free also, so that you need not forget. And company also had promised that by March 2022 it will have a free cash flow of 250 crore. So if that is also achieved in quarter 4, that will also add a new figure in the cap of Brightcom Group. So everything looks positive. Only hitch is forensic audit report. So if you keep it aside, everything is good in Brightcom Group. So accordingly, you can take decision and invest in Brightcom Group in small quantity. And if you are fearful about the forensic audit report, you may sell small quantity, maybe 30%, 50% of your holding, and wait for the forensic audit to come. But don't worry, even if you sell, bonus share will be credited to your account, that you can be sure. So I hope everything is clear. Let's see how things take turn and what big news and good news comes from Brightcom Group in coming days. Thank you, friends. I hope I made an English video about Brightcom Group, so that the people who doesn't understand English, Hindi, they may understand a lot of things from this video. I hope so, and let's wait and hope for the best in the few days what Brightcom Group can achieve the next level. Thank you, friends.